Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This is Rajesh Rajshekar. Today our topic about ascension, my dear friends. In New Age spiritual science, we hear this word ascension. It means the action of higher level, the action of rising in our spiritual growth. Everyone needs higher level. So how should we get this ascension? We will discuss about this, my dear friends. When we aligning with our bodies, Annamaya Kosha, Pranamaya Kosha, Manomaya Kosha, Vijnanamaya Kosha. 5 koshas we have: Annamaya Kosha, Pranamaya Kosha, Manomaya Kosha, Anandamaya Kosha, Vijnanamaya Kosha. In these 5 koshas we should align. In the same time, chakras, we should align with chakras also. We have 6 chakras, 1 state, 7th state: Mooladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipuraka, Anahata, Vishuddha, Ajna and Sahasrara state. We should align these chakras also. When this happen, my dear friends, when we meditate regularly, then it will be happen. This alignment will be happen. With this alignment, we should get transformed. We should get energy towards to ascension process. This alignment will give energy of ascension and liberation to the humanity. Yes, my dear friends. In New Age spiritual science, we heard this word ascension, ascension, ascension. Everyone need this state of being ascension in spirituality, from infant soul to infinity soul, from individual conscious to universal consciousness. We should align. In this ascension process, when we practice meditation, going deeper to getting cosmic energy, then it will be happen slowly. No need to worry, no need to hurry. It happens every meditator, but you should do right meditation, Anapanasati meditation. When you observe the breath, the mind becomes empty. Be with the natural, simple breath. Inhale softly, exhale softly. Do not force. So when we practice regularly, that energy will comes into our physical bodies to get alignment our bodies, chakras. So we should get that state of ascension. And one more thing we should understand, my dear friends, here, ascension means transforming to another level. If you get more energy, if you are, for example, in physical studies, you are in topper, we have a grasping power, we have a intellectual power. So you got the best marks in, if you got the best marks in schooling level, 8th class grade, 8th class level, then you can move on to 10th. No need to study 9th. Is it right, my friends? So when we practice more meditation, when we will get more energy, then we will move on to jump into the next level, next conscious level, next floor level. In this state, infant soul, baby soul, young soul, mature soul, old soul, and infinity soul, transcendental soul, these kind of things, we can move on. In our lifetimes, if you have a pending in 10 lifetimes, if you have you should learn wisdom in front of you in your lifetimes, you can draw that wisdom in this lifetime only. We have that opportunity. When we practice meditation regularly, we have that opportunity to grow, to evolve to a higher level. So that's why we are hearing this ascension word. Nowadays, so many meditators can transformed masters by their practicing intensive meditation. So every meditator can understand these words. We are here for awareness, alignment, transformation, and ascension. Understand these words, spiritual words, for the soul evolution, for the entire humanity evolution. The process is going on now. That much energy is spreading. Celestial alignment, we can call this celestial alignment. From other sides, we are getting more energies beyond the space. So when we ready, when we receive the energies, the cosmic energies, by practicing meditation, we can easily reach our higher level, higher state of being, from Muni to Yogi, Yogi to Rishi, Rishi to Maharshi, Maharshi to Rajarshi, Rajarshi to Brahmarshi. These are the levels, soul evolution process. Like our physical, in our physical life, we grow from one level to another level, from assistant to manager level. Same like that. In spirituality also, we should grow, we should evolve, we should reach these ascension states. So my dear friends, by practicing more meditation, it will be happen. So do regular meditation, be a vegetarian, be aware on your thoughts, words and actions. Thank you, my dear friends. Thank you.